All right, so as you just saw, we have a family of birds living right over there on top of that door header. Oops, trying not to hit them with the laser because I don't want to burn a hole through them. But yeah, I noticed that nest way back at the beginning of spring, and I also noticed there were some birds spending quite a lot of time in here. We were starting to get used to each other. Then I saw the nest and I thought, oh well, whatever. It's not hurting anything, I'll just leave it alone. Then I saw some eggs in it and thought, okay, I'm definitely not going to touch it. And now there are 3 or 4 baby birds in there. And I'm just, oh, there's the mom. Oh, but she just took off. I'm just going to let them stay here until the babies fly the nest. Then I'm going to finish installing the rest of the windows and doors. And then this is going to be a human-only house. Try to get a little closer. I don't want to get too close because I'm stressing the mom out. She's probably going to come in here and start yelling at me. I can hear them chirping, but I doubt my mic is picking that up. Anyway, you can see we set up some pillows and blankets and towels down there in case any of them fall out of the nest. One of them did fall out of the nest, but they remained on the header, and Taryn just kind of gently put it back in there. Also, the mom, she likes to perch on this chair and this bucket, so that's why those are there. We're being quite accommodating to these birds who seem to think that I'm building the world's biggest, bestest birdhouse. But yeah, they're going to have to get evicted probably before the summer's over, I imagine. Yeah, that's it. I just thought, cute little video. Seems to be a pretty safe spot, though a big lizard tried to eat them a few days ago, and Taryn chased it away with a broom. Thought that was pretty funny. Oh, there goes the mom again, but didn't catch her. What else happened? Oh yeah, around that same time they were sleeping, but Taryn was convinced they were dead, and she was just completely devastated for the rest of the night until the next morning when she found out they weren't dead, they were just sleeping. And yeah, so she's quite attached to them. We also had a bat living in this room. I didn't manage to get it on camera, but it was living right up underneath one of those joists around that area. Tiniest little thing, like the size of a hummingbird, and fast like one, so it was really difficult to try to record. Yeah, that's what's been going on in the new house. We're just, all the wild squatters around here are moving in. I'm surprised we don't have foxes and deer and so forth by this point. But yeah, that's about it. I don't really have any good way to wrap up this video, so until next time, peace.